Welcome at PASC 2024 in Zurich. I'm here with Riccardo Balin from Argonne National Laboratory. Welcome, Riccardo.
Thank you.
You were chairing together with Alessandro Rigazzi of a mini-symposium here at PASC. What was this mini-symposium about?
So we had a two-part mini-symposium on methods, libraries, and applications for coupling simulations and AI and machine learning together in online or in-situ workflows. So how do you make them run together on HPC systems and scale these out? And then how users are using these tools to then accelerate their science.
After the discussion, so yours, if I understand, was two parts.
Yes.
So you had the chance to have a much longer discussion
Yes.
with the community. If you would have to, if you have a one or two more important takeaway messages, what would those be?
Well, we tried from the beginning to plan it so that we had both vendors who are generating these libraries and users who are using them. And I think by having both types of talks at the mini-symposium, we actually were able to bring the two together in the same room. And so I think the application people learned about new tools that they can use, and the library developers learned about how the users are using their tools. And so I think we were able to bridge a gap about what's missing, what to do next, what the users want. And so I think that's going to drive or help drive the vendor libraries and how they're developing their tools in the next year or two.
But then not to lose the momentum that anyway you have gained also with the community and with the participants of your mini-symposia. What are your next steps? How would you follow up?
So I think we need to have this every year, but also I would say even more frequently. I think we need to have workshops, and people like us at user facilities can help organize those and keep users engaged, helping them run their workflows with these tools on our systems. So basically, I think we need to try to keep bringing in science domains and then keep piping that science through to the vendor libraries and have this sort of community come together multiple times a year. I think AI is a very fast-moving field, and so we can't just meet once a year, otherwise we're going to lose a lot of new developments.
The very last question, why would be important to keep funding this kind of development?
I think bringing simulation and AI together and having them work together on the same machine is really important to help accelerate science. You can develop, I think, more robust models because you are now making sure that it'll fit well into the simulation. You can also, I think, accelerate the iterative process that it is to make a machine learning model. And so I think overall the goal is to just do science quicker. And also AI can help with design space exploration. And so by using AI models to then determine which simulations to run, I think we can get to sort of the result quicker, and that's sort of
you
the goal.
Convinced me, Riccardo, so I wish you to see you also at the next edition of the PASC conference,
sure.
and thank you very much.
Thank you.